Hey guys, I got sent a tattoo kit from Favvosee Tattoo Supply, and here's everything that comes inside. You get your own tattoo machine, you get a foot pedal and a power supply, you get a box of tattoo needles, some Scentsy wrap, some black ink, and some ink caps, a bunch of colors, some more Scentsy wrap, your own pair of gloves, and a power supply. You also get some stencil paper and some fake skin. The machine comes with its own pair of instructions that are pretty easy to understand, a power cord for the foot pedal, and then here's the machine itself. It's really lightweight, I like the color, and then you can also adjust the tip. This is their power supply box. They're pretty simple to use. You just make sure that the ends are connected to the machine and then into the power box, along with the foot pedal as well. There's going to be a little dial on the power supply box that helps you control your voltage. Personally, I like to run my lining between a 7.5 and an 8, and then I do a lot of dot work in my tattoos. So for my shading, I like to run my machine at a 5.0 between a 5.1. Right off the bat, I will say that I do like their needles a lot. It's really hard for me to find a needle that doesn't spray out or cause so much mess or leakage whenever I am tattooing. For this tattoo, I'm using their 5-round liner and their 3-round liner to create the whip shading that I like to do, or pepper shading, or stippling. There's a bunch of different names for it, but to get the tiny dot work effect that I like to create in my tattoos, I'm using their 3-round liner and I'm running my machine at a 5.0 voltage. Also, I will say that their fake skin is super easy to use. There was no mess. I was honestly really shocked and surprised how easily it cleaned up. I could have done a better job cleaning it, honestly, but it was super easy to wipe away.